Skid Light here. This video, we're going to replace this old corroded drain with a new one. Some tools you're going to need. You need a drain remover installer like that. See how those are broken up? If it's really stuck, you can't get them out with pliers. And to do this, you want to use that. You'll also want a screwdriver or a wrench or pliers to turn it. You're going to need the right size drain. I'll show you how to measure that. And you're going to want plumber's putty, or if you have to, you can use silicone and a tape measure. Check your drain size. So using the tool, and I have already broken mine loose. I'm going to remove the old rubber piece. So measuring your drain isn't very accurate. Most of your modern bathtub drains are going to be 1.5 inches. If we measure this, you're probably thinking, wait, that could be 1.5 inches. Nope. This is 1 3/8 inches, and it's fine thread. Versus this is a new 1.5 inches coarse thread. So there you can really see the difference. So what is the 1.5 inches measure? Yeah, it's bigger than 1.5 inches. Don't ask me why. You're going to want to clean this as best as you can. Take the new rubber seal, much softer than that old dried one. So if you have one similar to this, you got to take this out. Just unscrew it while it's down, and it'll come out. And that gives you access to where you can use the tool to bring it down. Make sure yours fits properly. So now you're going to take some of that plumber's putty, roll it in your hands between your palms like so. Put it around the drain. Hand start it so you don't cross thread it. Get it good and snug. Use your fingernail to get around right here. Now you can screw this in if you want, or you can just set it on top. There, it's screwed in. Now we'll test it. Just put a little bit of water. And we watch to see if it leaks. If you have access under the tub, it's good to go underneath there and feel to see if there's any water leaking. Or if you don't, you can do like we're doing here. We're just going to let this sit. Hopefully it'll still have standing water. And no leaks. If yours is leaking, you can try tightening it a little more. If that doesn't do it, you'll have to bring it back out. Maybe the plumber's putty didn't quite get enough or something like that. Redo it. Try again. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.